In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter X. For some reason, you want to change your handle name on Twitter X, but I don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Twitter homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile name and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate Settings and Support and tap on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on Settings and Privacy. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Make sure to select your account and then continue to tap on Account Information. In order for us to change our handle name, all we have to do is to tap on Username. As you correctly see, this is my current handle name, which is TechHow-to. So all I have to do is to backspace it and enter the new handle that I want to use. But make sure the handle is available. And once your selected handle is available, all you have to do is to navigate and tap on Done. And that's it. You have successfully change your username on Twitter X. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.